guys, warm welcome to all of you, and I am telling you very important thing. Please listen carefully, okay? I know most of the students who want to learn anything, who want to do different in their career apart from their parents what they want, okay? But what happened with them that they are bound with their parents expectation. Their parents want different things from apart from their choice that is to want. So what we can do in this dilemma, okay, right? This is a very different dilemma in our life that we are facing with, that we are dealing with this, okay? Everyone is feeling with this. They have something, every student have their own faith, their own belief in something different that they are working on it, they are working upon it, and they love upon it so much. But what happened at the gradually at the time, by the time their family pressure would be happen and they want something different. But what you do, okay, what's your have an option that you can do it. And my suggestion to all those aspirants who are really in a dilemma and they do not understand what they do, they go with their family, they go with their dreams, what they do, okay? So in this dilemma, the very the one step that you can take from yourself, from your side, is that just just do what your parents want to do, okay? Just whatever your parents want to do, just start working upon it, okay? Just working upon it, let's see what happen, okay? If it is working, if it work, if it will work, so that will be fine. If it doesn't work, then definitely it's okay, okay? So just followed it and just work upon it, okay? But along with that, side by side, just do your work, okay? Just what you believe, what you think about it, about yourself, about it very well. No one know about you, okay? You are really the person that know about yourself very well, okay? So just work upon it, start working upon it and do it, okay? So when you do about yourself, your work, you will definitely find a lot of things about your life, and I am telling you that you definitely find a lot of things from yourself. So just start working upon it, okay? Whenever you start working upon your life, you definitely find a lot of things from this video. So start working upon it and think about it, that what you can do extra in that, okay? When you start doing in that particular direction which you want, so after that, if you are really enough good in that and you think about that, now this is the high time that I can take a step with this, I can go with this, so just quit that work and just go with that, so that your family will think about that, yeah, my child or my my daughter or sister, whatever the daughter or son, that these are going to be in a good way, they have settled down, right? They have very security is the major issue that our families or everyone think about it, okay? Their main motive is to secure. If you are securing, then they will let them go, so they are not going to tell you, okay? So the very basic thing is that you have to think about it first, their opinion, their ideas, listen to them and work upon it, and side by side just work upon it, your ideas, okay? Just work upon your ways that you want, and when you feel that you are enough good, just let them quit and just work upon it, okay? Just go with this, because you can do very well in your profession, in your work that you definitely love do it, okay? Love to do it. You couldn't really much good in that particular work which you are just pursuing it, and you have no interest in that particular work, okay? You can put your 100% in that work which you love so much, which your intuition think about that I can work upon it. If you love something to do that, you couldn't see the timeline, okay? You couldn't see the timeline, like if you see the videos or channels, any video, whatever you learn, you see that, and when you see it, you love it, you forget the timeline, okay? You forget the timeline, how much your time is spending right now, everything you forget it. So in that way, if I love this work to do that, so I forget my timeline, how much I need to do. It doesn't work, man, how many time I need to do that. I just wanted to, I do it, and I just doing continuously, okay? I just forget the timeline, how much time it is burden like me. No, it is not burden like that. So it is my my hobby, like that, like I'm doing my hobby of that. So in such way you can pursue your career, okay? I hope this will help you for you, and that's what I believe, and I work on it, and you can also do that. So thank you so much, viewers, for watching me, and please subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and help them out, okay? Let them help, and whatever I can with you, I please tell me no in the comment box. I will definitely work for you upon you. And thank you so much. We will be meet soon in the next video. Stay tuned with me.